Is your Firefox running slow or acting up on Windows 11? In this guide, I'll show you how to refresh Firefox and restore its performance in just a few clicks. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Select Settings from the menu. Click Apps on the left sidebar. Select Apps and Features on the right. In the search field, type Firefox. Click the three-dot menu next to Firefox. Select Uninstall and confirm with Yes when prompted. A prompt will appear offering to refresh Firefox instead. Click Refresh Firefox to reset settings and remove add-ons. Select Finish to complete the process. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.